I'm right now in the Filipino section of Reddit. And somebody posted about I'm white, but I was born in the Philippines.
Okay.
I lived in Batangas and Manila until I was 13. Every year I go back. Still to this day, some people in the Philippines say I'm not Pinoy because I'm white. I think I'm Filipino. All my culture and personality was shaped in the Philippines. It hurts when our Pinoys say I'm not Filipino.
Okay, and then what are the comments? What's the point of the post?
The point of the post is that
Is
dude
he
is
being
white
bullied?
and maybe, I don't know, maybe the Filipinos don't see him as a Filipino because he's white and people writing already, if you feel connected to the culture, then don't let them tell you otherwise. The rest I cannot read because it's in Tagalog.
I would say, like, if you're not accepted in the Philippines, then go back to your...
Yeah, it's not worth caring about it. The bulk of Filipinos are ignorant.
Yeah, just go to the country where you're accepted. Did he say, like, what nationality he is?
No, he just say he's white.
Okay.
He's born in the Philippines, but right?
So he doesn't have a Filipino blood?
No. He's white. I'm assuming he's not even half Filipino, just only white.
Because he's
white. You're right, I'm white,
yeah.
but was born in the Philippines. That could happen if people from Europe or America moving to Philippines, and then
Yeah, not because he's born in the Philippines, like he would get the same treatment. I would be also like 50-50. If I would see like he was adapted to the culture, then I may start treating him as like a Filipino,
but you have to think out of his perspective. He grew up, learned the language. Maybe he raised up in the country, in the culture. Of course, he feels like himself also like a Filipino.
Yeah, maybe he's just talking about initial interaction. Of course, if I would interact with the guy for the first time, I would also treat him like a white guy.
Because for the other Filipinos, are white guys always tourists
exactly.
Who moved there,
so he should not complain.
Yeah, because it's because it's not so often common that white people born and raised there.
Right.
A couple people writing, the people who write in English I can read. Fun fact: Andres Novales, the first known Filipino to fight for the independence of the Philippines as a collective state, wasn't of Philippine descent either. He's Spanish Creole with Mexican blood, pero pinanganak at lumaki siya sa Intramuros. Yeah, and 83 people liked it up. I don't know.
Okay. So how would it help the guy?
I don't know.
What kind
of it was a fun fact. He just said that's why the guy write fun fact.
I would advise a guy, maybe you should start wearing a t-shirt that says like I'm white but I was born and raised here in the Philippines, so he would get a different treatment.
Somebody else write also Tim Tebow, never heard about, American football athlete, was born in Makati.
The comments are so useless.
Yeah.
But the poster as well, like he did not say what kind of intention he got for posting. Is he being bullied? Does he want another treatment?
I think he don't like the treatment.
Oh,
okay. Because he see himself as a fully Filipino.
Okay.
But maybe he still have the feeling that, I don't know, that Filipinos are seeing him only the tourist or whatever.
Yeah, he should see it from the perspective of a white as well. So if I would go to America and then I was born and raised in America, then Americans would still treat me like Asian American.
Not always. In Europe also not like always.
What you've seen earlier, I was in the cellar to take my luggage. So here in Germany, it's very common to have a cellar. So each tenant of the apartment do have their own corner or own partition in the cellar as their storage. This is how it looks. But I wouldn't be packing yet because we are heading to Marco's mom's apartment for Yulia's birthday celebration. I just took the luggage out of the cellar because I'm not sure as to what time are we gonna get back home, and I don't want to be making some noise down there in the middle of the night. But yeah, I believe packing should be easy because I laid and paired all the clothes that I will be bringing here in the living room. And yeah, we will be traveling for next week for 4 days or so watch out for the vlog. So this is our present. Mark and I have decided to give her a fancy meal or a fancy dinner at the restaurant of her choice, and to make our present presentable, Marco purchased this golden ticket. So we are going to write the present on here and then cover it with, where is that baby? Is it in here?
Yeah.
And then paste this one so she could scratch it with a coin, and then it would reveal our present. And it comes with this golden envelope as well.
Heard someone creeping through the door. They found the key to my mind, hidden on the floor. I tried to scream, but my voice was gone. And they stole every part of me I used to own. I was taken to another world, couldn't find any of my fears or hopes. I became someone that I didn't know, lost somewhere I'd never been before.
Happy birthday, Julia.
Support.
I was taken to another world, couldn't find any of my fears or hopes. I became
So we made it home, people. It's currently 6:30 and I have to pack right now, but before that I will be devouring my chocolate bunny from Costa. So I'll start packing now. I'll be bringing one luggage and one small backpack, one sling bag, small one too, and then these pouches are just for medicine, of course. I'm always prepared. Medicine and some of my cosmetic items. Also, we have for the toiletries. So this one. Ooh, we have a lot. Good luck to me if I could fit everything here in this small luggage. Okay, let's start. It is almost 10 p.m. but before going to bed, I will just quickly prepare some of the snacks that I will be packing for our drive tomorrow. I will be packing some of these cherry tomatoes or snack tomatoes, snack cucumber, grapes, and some of the strawberries. That is how how we celebrated our Easter Sunday and also Yulia's birthday. I've decided to shower tonight because we will be traveling or leaving early tomorrow. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Tschüss!